How to fix Dead by Daylight error code 4, easy anti-cheat folder deletion and file verification. Welcome back to Tenebalta. Today, we're diving deep into a common yet frustrating issue for many Dead by Daylight enthusiasts. Error code 4. This specific error often signals a fundamental conflict with the game's anti-cheat system, easy anti-cheat, or underlying file integrity problems that prevent the game from launching or running correctly. Understanding the root causes, which range from corrupted EAC files to broader system incompatibilities, is crucial for a definitive resolution, ensuring you can return to the fog without further interruptions. Let's meticulously explore a comprehensive suite of solutions, starting with the most direct approach and systematically progressing through advanced troubleshooting, guaranteeing that you have every tool at your disposal to conquer Dead by Daylight error code 4. Restart your PC and router. Before embarking on more complex fixes, a simple system restart can often resolve transient software glitches or memory conflicts that might be causing the error. Similarly, power cycling your network router can clear up any temporary network connectivity issues that easy anti-cheat might misinterpret as a problem. Delete easy anti-cheat folder and verify game files. Primary solution. Navigate to your Dead by Daylight installation directory, typically found at steam/steamups/common/Dead by Daylight. Locate and delete the entire easy anti-cheat folder within this directory. This action effectively removes any potentially corrupted or outdated anti-cheat files from your system. Following the deletion, open your Steam client, right-click on Dead by Daylight in your library, select Properties, then navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then re-download a fresh, untainted version of Easy Anti-Cheat along with any other missing or corrupted game files, which is a critical step in resolving error code 4. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat service. Even if deleting and verifying files works, sometimes the EAC service itself needs a direct repair. Go to your Dead by Daylight installation folder, then into the Easy Anti-Cheat subdirectory, and run Easy Anti-Cheat Setup (exe). In the Setup window, select Dead by Daylight from the drop-down menu and click Repair Service. Run Game and Steam as administrator. Insufficient administrative privileges can sometimes prevent easy anti-cheat from operating correctly or interacting with necessary system resources, leading to error code 4. Right-click on your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator, then launch Dead by Daylight from within Steam. For a more permanent solution, you can modify the properties of both Steam, exe and Dead by Daylight, exe to always run with administrative privileges. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can lead to unexpected game crashes and compatibility issues, which might manifest as an easy anti-cheat error. Ensure your graphics drivers for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel are updated to their latest stable versions by downloading them directly from the manufacturer's official website. Update Windows operating system. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date, as missing critical updates can cause compatibility problems with games and anti-cheat software. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for any available updates, installing them and restarting your PC as required. Disable Antivirus/Firewall temporarily. Your antivirus software or Windows Firewall might be mistakenly blocking easy anti-cheat processes or game files, leading to error code 4. Temporarily disable your antivirus program and Windows Firewall, then attempt to launch Dead by Daylight to check if the issue persists. If disabling resolves the issue, you'll need to add exceptions for Dead by Daylight and easy anti-cheat executables and folders within your security software settings to prevent future interference. This ensures proper communication channels remain open without compromising system security. Check for conflicting background applications. Certain background applications, especially overlays, VPN, or system monitoring tools, can interfere with easy anti-cheats operation. Close all unnecessary background programs via Task Manager before launching Dead by Daylight to minimize potential conflicts. Clear Steam download cache. A corrupted Steam download cache can sometimes lead to issues with game file integrity and verification processes. In Steam, go to Settings, Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Then restart Steam and try verifying game files again. Flush DNS and reset network configuration. Network issues, particularly with DNS resolution, can sometimes hinder easy anti-cheat's ability to connect to its servers. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdins, ipconfig/release, and ipconfig/renew commands to refresh your network configuration. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. If a repair doesn't suffice, a full reinstallation of Easy Anti-Cheat might be necessary. Locate the Easy Anti-Cheat setup. exe in the game's folder, uninstall the service, then run the executable again and select Install to deploy a fresh instance of the anti-cheat. Check disk for errors. Corrupted sectors on your hard drive can lead to damaged game files, which Easy Anti-Cheat will detect as an integrity violation. Open this PC, right-click on your game drive, go to Properties, then Tools, and under Error Checking, click Check to scan for and repair disk errors. Clean boot your system. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, helping to isolate software conflicts. Search for msconfig, go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, and then click Disable all. On the Startup tab, open Task Manager and disable all startup items, then restart your PC. Temporarily disable IPv6. Some users report that disabling IPv6 in their network adapter settings can resolve connectivity issues with online games and anti-cheat systems. Go to Network and Internet Settings, then change adapter options. Right-click your active adapter, select Properties, and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IP6. Use of VPN, temporary diagnostic. While not a permanent solution, using a reputable VPN service can help determine if the error code 4 is related to geographical routing or ISP-specific network restrictions. Connect to a different server location via VPN and try launching Dead by Daylight. Check game launch options. Ensure there are no conflicting launch options set for Dead by Daylight in Steam. Right-click the game, go to Properties, and under the General tab, clear any commands in the Launch Options field. Reinstall Dead by Daylight. As a last resort, a complete reinstallation of Dead by Daylight can often resolve deeply embedded file corruption or configuration issues. Uninstall the game through Steam, manually delete any remaining game folders, restart your PC, and then re-download and install the game. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.